Pasta Fregula. Fregula with Botarga. For this tasty dish, we need Fregula, Botarga, garlic, parsley, chili pepper, vinegar, sea salt, pepper, and olive oil. Put the pot with water on fire. Add salt. And olive oil. Cover with the lid and let it boil. Chop the garlic. Chop the chili pepper. Add Fregula to the boiling water. Mix it. Cook it exactly the time indicated on the package. Cut parsley. Put on the plate. Remove the Fregula from the heat and drain the water. Spray with olive oil. Mix well. The Fregula is ready. Cover with the lid and leave it on the side. Put the pan on the fire and add olive oil. Add pepper and garlic. Fry it until the golden crust. Add pepper, sea salt, and mix it well. Add more olive oil. Mix it. Put Fregula to the pan with spices. Mix it well and add more olive oil. Add couple of spoons of Botarga to the pan with Fregula. And mix it well. Serve the pasta on the plate. And add more Botarga for decoration. Add parsley. Enjoy it! Bon appétit! Salad with fregola, white beans and rucola. For this tasty salad, we need pasta fregola, rucola, beans, leek, olives, lemon, vinegar, olive oil, pepper and salt. Put the pot with water on fire. Add salt. And olive oil. Cover with the lid and let it boils. Add fregola to the boiling water. Mix it. Cook it for exactly the time indicated on the package. Remove the fregola from the heat and drain the water. Spray with the olive oil. Mix well. The fregola is ready. Cover with the lid and leave it on the side. Wash the leek and lemon. Wash rucola. And dry it well. Serve rucola on the plate. Cut leek. Put to the rucola. Open the beans and drain the liquid. Wash them more with the water. Add beans to the salad. Add fregula. Cut olives and add to the salad. Mix 5 ml of vinegar with 5 ml of olive oil. Mix it and add to the salad. Add salt. Pepper. And grate the lemon peel on the top. Enjoy it! Buon appétit!